Hi guys, welcome to my channel for another video. If you have not seen my previous video, so please check the description and click on the link to see the video. Hello friends, in our previous video, we had implemented get function for our create method, right? And then now in this video, we will go ahead and implement create function for create post function for create method, okay? So now let me go ahead and stop this, make this bigger, and I'll go ahead and open product controller. You can see this is what we implemented in our previous video. Okay, if you have not seen that, please go back and see this part, then come back to this video for the post function. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, let's do copy this. Okay, make this post here. I'll create this as a async since this is a post function, right? Okay, so let me change it to async and make this as a HTTP post. Okay, and then check validation, validate anti-forgery token. Okay, now what's going to happen when user click create, the user is going to receive product view model here. So I'll go ahead and also add the parameter. So here we'll go ahead and delete all this line. Okay, and then I will go ahead and write the code, and once we finish writing, then I will go ahead and explain how the code is working. So let me go ahead and start type the code. So here we have so far we done up to here. So what we did, we declare a empty string here, right? And the string name is home image URL. What we're going to do, we're going to check if user add any images to when they are trying to create. So if they do have added images, then we will go ahead and look through there, right? If they may can add 20 or the 5 images or 6 images, whatever the image they added. So we need to go ahead and find out the image which contain home, the home keyword. Okay, so if it does contain the home keyword, we'll go ahead and implement this function. Okay, so I will go ahead and write the code for this function, and then I will go ahead and later explain how code is working. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to create this function. You see, I can go ahead and create this function. So here the function a name created. So this function parameter is iForm file, because we are the type is iForm, and then we are receiving multiple images, right? So now let's go ahead and implement it. So we have implement our upload files function. So we getting a parameter for the image over here. So here we declare another the string variable with file name. So we checking if we have anything on image. So if it is, then we'll go ahead and create a upload directory location. So this is how we are going to get it. So we using path.combine. So here we using a host environment web root path. So this is what we created, I know, what we instantiate on the top. If you go, we use dependency injection to inject this function. You see, I web environment. So here I did create the object and then also add it to constructor right there. So on the bottom, let's go bottom here, and then we do have a additional folder name which is images. So what it does, it going to hit all the way over here. It will go and get the path for www root files, right? Under this file, what we have images. So it will combine this path and then put it over here, upload direction folder, upload direction value. Okay, so our upload direction value would be the up to root path and then the path with images. Okay, because we have images, we created images folder, and then under images folder we'll go save the image. Okay, so here we keeping this file name equal to, we creating a GUID string and then adding that to the file name that we are getting from the user. When user upload it, they upload the upload with the name, with the image name. So it will get the image name and then the GUID. Okay, so this is our file name. So this file name will going to store in our database with the product ID. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to have a path. This path would be combined between file direction location and the file name. Okay. So we are combining these two and then getting the file path. So we are using a statement to write the image under this folder. Okay. So whenever so we giving to this function with the file path, and then the mode is the create, and then it will copy the image to under image folder. So and then return the file name to here. So now we are getting the file name over here, right? From calling this function. So now we know what is the home image URL for the image that we are getting from the view. So once we found it, we'll go ahead and break the loop and then get out from the loop. Then we'll go write the rest of the code, and again I will go explain it. Okay. So friends, let me go ahead and explain what we have done from here to here. Okay. So what we did, we saved the home image URL from here to our product table, right? And then we add that product to our table. Okay. So whatever you see from here, whatever we are getting from view and then the home image URL, we are adding to our table and then saving the changes here. Okay. So we adding it and save it. So then we will have the updated info to our database. Okay, all the change will be set from here. So now what we are doing, we getting the new product that we just added here by the products view model have our product name, and then we just had saved the product to our table. So from here we are getting that product. Also we are including the category. Okay, category of that product. So we have all the info here about the new product. So here what we are going to do, we creating the name for the inventories. I mean, inventory, in the inventory class we're going to have a name of the product. So we getting that name from that product class. Okay, and then also we are getting the category from that product class and assigning to our entry tables. So here what we are doing, once we have name and category, so we know this info we needed for our inventory class to get created. Okay, so here we are creating the inventory class with those info and then saving it. From here we are going to add more code. So let me write those and then I'll go ahead and explain it again. So friends, what we have done here, so to check again the images, if there is any images, right? We'll go ahead and do looping here, right? So we'll go ahead and get the image URL which is not containing home keyword. Okay. So if it does not contain the home keyword, we'll go ahead call our upload files. So we have explained what our upload files is doing. So our upload files with that we implement here. So I did explain in the beginning of the video. Okay, so once it find the name of this picture, so what we are going to do, we're going to create a new p image data, right, entry. So we have a picture with the product id, right? So when they're creating a new product, right, so we are having that id over here, and then also the picture url here, right? So we know this pictures belongs to this product id. Okay, so if they do have 3 picture or 5 picture, whatever picture, so every picture will have this product id. So then we know how many pictures is with one product id. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are saving the data to our picture table, right, the image table, and then saving all the changes that we are having for our database. And then once done save, it will redirect to our index page for our product. All right, so let's go ahead, run this project. So I'm running the Visual Studio, making this small. I'll go ahead and add a debug point here. So our product class just loaded. So we currently do not have any product to our product table. So we'll go ahead and create one. So I'll put iPhone 15. Price is 20.99. Category is phone. So now you will see we have a phone category. Let's say a smartphone. Okay, anything. We'll go ahead and choose the picture for this. So let me see. So here you do see I have an iPhone detail, iPhone HMS phone, and then iPhone home, and then iPhone 15. Okay, so I'll go ahead and select this four picture, and then make sure, friends, you'll see we only have three images under image folder. So once we added this four, we should have seven images. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click open, and you see the four files has been added here. I'll put purchase price is 15.99, and then quantity, let's say we have 20 pieces phone we or bought, right? And each phone is 15.99, and we set the sale price is 20.99. So I'll go ahead and click on create. So this hit our you see here our it hit our debug point. So I'll go ahead and check what we are getting from the view. Okay, so if you take your mouse on the product view model object, and then you see the category list showing now, so we are receiving four images, the count is four. The inventory class, let's see what we have in inventory class. We have purchase price and then the quantity for our inventory. We are getting this from view. And let's see what we have for our product. So the category item, which is 1012, which is phone category, description, then iPhone 15, then price, selling price 20.99. All right, so here now let's go ahead. We click on continue. Okay, I'll have my another debug point here. Okay, and then continuing it. So now, friends, if you do see, we do see another four folder just got added. So what we're going to do, we'll go ahead and click on continue to see if it does redirect to our home page. Okay, I mean redirect to our index page. So click on continue. So it seems it does redirect to page, and I do see the picture here, and then the information of the products, right? So you do see, friends, now we are successfully able to create the product to our table, right? And also let us check if we are able to create a class for, I mean, table for the inventory as well. So here I'll go select the inventory and then click OK. So now we do see we have iPhone 15 in our inventory class. Okay, so let's see how image class look. So here we have three image URL with this product ID, and then the product name is iPhone 15. Okay, so iPhone 15 has three images, right? And then also if I check the product table, and then from product table I can see the ID is 106, and then the price, and then the category ID, and the home image URL. So we separated the home image URL and then the image for the additional image in the images classes. Okay, friends. So in our next video, we will go ahead and we will go ahead and implement this edit view function. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial. Please do share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.